Hi children, now today we're going to start by helping Sweep to put his Numicon pieces into two different groups, sort his Numicon pieces into two groups. Okay Sweep, so the children are going to help you. Right, so let's have a look what we've got. We've got number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9 and number 10. So, have a think, children. How can we put our Numicon pieces into two different groups? So, pause now for some thinking time, and then when you're ready, press play again. Okay, welcome back. Now, hope you've been having some good thinking time. Me and Sweep have been having a good think, haven't we, Sweep? And Sweep's come up with an idea. So, you come back here and tell me that again, Sweep, and I'll tell it to the children, okay? Now, Sweep was looking at the different Numicon pieces, and he was looking at the way they look. And he noticed that some of the Numicon pieces, like this number 4, for instance, has a flat top to it. Like the number 6 Numicon, that has a flat top. But Sweep noticed that some of the Numicon pieces don't. They have like almost like a little chimney on, or an extra one on top. Can you see another Numicon piece that has like a chimney or an extra one on top? Oh, number 5 does, doesn't it? Look. And so does number 9. It's got that extra one that's like a little chimney on top. So Sweep's first idea is he's going to sort the Numicon pieces into those pieces which have a flat top, like a number 4, and those pieces which have an extra one or a little chimney on the top. Okay, so let's do that then, Sweep. So here we go. We'll put all the ones with a chimney or an extra one on this side, and all those with a nice flat top on this side. Okay, what about number 2? It looks a little bit like a chimney, Sweep, doesn't it? But it is flat, isn't it, on top? And we could call a pair of numbers together. So they're not on their own. So that would go on this side, I think. Now, number 1, well, it looks flat, but actually it's on its own, isn't it? It's not in a pair like on this side. So this one, I think, will need to come over here. Right, are you happy with that, Sweep? You are. Okay, so we can give a name to our two groups. So first of all, the Numicon pieces on this side, we can say that they are odd, or they are odd numbers. And the pieces on this side, in this group, we can say are even, or are even numbers. Odd numbers and even numbers. Now, do you notice anything else? Look at the even numbers now. Let's just zoom in. So we said they have a flat top, but do you notice anything else that the even numbers have got, which the odd ones haven't? Well, if we take this one, for instance, we take number 8, we can count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's pairs. 2, 4, 6, 8. We can count in twos. Let's try another one. Does it work for 6? 2, 4, 6. It does. Does it work for this one? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It does. No, but it doesn't work for the odd numbers. 2, 4, 6. One more 7, but it's got one extra that's not a pair. Let's try it for this number. 2, 4, 6, 8, and one extra makes 9. So that's why 9 is an odd number, not an even number. Okay, now let's take these signs away. Now, Sweep, what I'd like us to do now is we're going to put our Numicon pieces here in order from our smallest number to our largest number. Okay, so here we go. Let's see how quick Miss Cheetham can do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How are we doing? Not bad. 9 and 10. All right, have a good look there. There we've got our Numicon pieces in order. Okay, now we've put them together, and now I want to take them apart again, to split them up again. So I'm going to move my odd number, number 1, up here, and number 2, my even number, down here. So odd number, number 3 here, 4, even number down here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put them into 2 groups again. Now, imagine these are houses. Just imagine. So here's houses, a row of houses, and here's a row of houses here. What's this bit in the middle? Well, it could be the road. And here's my car coming along, driving along the road or the street. With the odd houses on one side of the street and the even houses on the other side of the street. Let's pop in their numbers, otherwise the postman won't know which house to deliver the letters to. So we've got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So there are odd numbers. Let's say them together. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. And let's do the other side of the street. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's read them again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's our even numbers on this side of the street. Oh, hold on, Sean. Sweep just asked me something. Come on, whisper again to me, Sweep. What about number 11? Oh, let's have a look. Now, Sweep's asked, what if we had another house, house number 11? Which side of the street would number 11 go on? So, put your hand up if you think house number 11 would go on this side of the street. Okay, and put your hand up if you think house number 11 would go on this side of the street. Okay, well, let's find out. So, what do we need to make 11 with our Numicon? Well, we could have a 10 and a 1. Now, let's put it on top. Oh, look, it's like a chimney. So, which side of the street is it going to go on? Yes, it's going to go on the odd side of the street, number 11. Let's put on number there for the postman. What was that, Sweep? Number 12. So, if 11 went on this side of the street, where's number 12 going to go? You think it's this side, do you? Well, let's just check. So, let's make number 12. So, we've got a 10 and a 2. 10, 11, 12. And if we put it on top, we've got our nice flat top. And also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We've got our pairs of numbers. So you're right. 12 is going to sneak down onto this side of the street. And hopefully we can just about see that. Just move my camera. There we go. And then our car, again, can come down the street. Okay, now children, what you can do for your task today, I've included some little houses which you can either copy or you could print out and cut out. I'd like you to make your own little street. Okay, with one side, the houses on one side being odd numbered houses and the houses on the other side of the street being even. You can give your road, your street a nice name. Maybe when you go for a walk today, have a look at the houses on one side of the street. Are they all odd numbers or are they all even numbers? And there'll be another extra challenge as well.